Hello everyone, I welcome you all in our virtual classes program of JetKids International School. School at Home, Class 4, Subject Computers, and I am your computer teacher J.M. Khan. Today we are going to continue our third chapter, that is more about Windows 10. Okay, it will take, our speed will be little slow in this chapter. Why? Because this is important thing. Okay, and this is an updated version of Windows that we are using at our home and offices and schools. Okay, so it is better to see practical each and everything in this chapter. Clear? So pay attention over here. In previous video we discussed about desktop background, what is mean by desktop icons, tray, notification area, clock, and tray, system tray, task, okay, task views, start menu, different thing we discuss, taskbar and icons and desktop we discuss. And today we are going to discuss how to open an app in Windows 10. Opening an app in Windows 10. First of all, you should know about what is mean by app. Okay, app is a kind of software, okay, you use to do specific work. Okay, for example, Paint, Tux Paint, Calculator, or some other apps like Microsoft Office and all, right? Multiple thousand and millions of apps are there in market for to perform and to perform a specific job. Clear? So today the main motive is to understand how to open an app and how to close it. Clear? So to open an app, we use start menu. Okay, for example, here we have, for example, Paint. If you want to open a Paint here, okay, just pay attention, steps we will see later. Okay, so just pay attention what I am doing over a laptop. I just made a triangle. Okay, and now I am moving it and different things. Now I closed. Okay, don't save my work. Okay, so the thing is how we opened it. Okay, for example we took over here of our Paint. So how to open it? First you will click the start menu, choose the app tile or app you want to. Here, from here also, for example, here you have calendar, so I am starting calendar from tile, right? It needs to be set up. Okay, so from here you will use you will choose your tile, app tile or app icon. Okay, if the tile or app is not found, then what you will do, for example, calculator, if you want to use calculator is not present over here, so then what you will do, you will see, you can see search box over here. Okay, you can open calculator from here, right, by typing its name. Clear? And if you don't want to see some other thing I am doing over here. Clear? Calculator. Okay, sorry. Some other thing I am doing here with the help of run program. Clear? So you also can do for example, MS Paint you want to open, so you can open it by using your run program. You can see I am using it by using run, right? Different things you can open from here, like Paint. If you want to open Paint, so but if you want to start app from this run, how you will start this run? Okay, you can type over here run app, see, run app, and here, but here if you want to open a particular app, for example Paint, so you need to know the specific keyword of that app. Okay, so MS Paint I know about it, Okay, so I just type MS Paint and press OK, then it will open Paint directly. Clear? So this is a second way you will open. First you will see first in menu, start menu, you will see if you do not found your app, then what you will do, you will search it over here in search. Okay, like Calci or Paint. Clear? Next thing what you will do, you will start a run app. Okay, run, or you will search from here, but this is little difficult thing. Why? Because you need a proper keyword to start an app from here. Clear? Next thing, how you will find your app if you want to open it maximum time. So what you will do, so for see, if I want to use Paint multiple times, and usually I use Paint, so what I will do, instead of searching multiple times, just right click on Paint, you can see pin to start. Okay, pin to start, then what will happen, you can see Paint over here. Clear? You can see Paint and start only. You can check Paint over here, or you can add it here. How you can add it here? Pin to taskbar. Then if I am closing it, then it will also appear over here. If you want to remove it, just unpin it from here. Unpin from taskbar. Clear? This is how you will open your app, and you will see it, and you will close it. How you will close it? For example, you open app over here, MS Paint, right? How you will close it? You will just, you can check files and exit, otherwise you can close directly from here. Okay, so at exit, if I press, so it will close directly. Clear? So this is how we will open our, we will first locate our app which we want to open, then how we'll open it. Okay, 2 or 3 methods we check from start menu, okay, from search menu, and from run app. Okay, these 3 things we see to open a specific app and how to close it. File, and just go in a file, for example calculator. See, every app has a same thing. For example, calculator I am starting, just double click and start it. Okay, everything had its cross. Okay, so it will directly close it. You can see what is written over here. If I am just keeping my cursor over cross, so it is showing close, so I will direct click it and it will be closed. Hope you understood each and everything. In next video we will see more exciting things about how to manage apps, how to pin it to taskbar, and how to do multiple things. Clear? So see you in next video. Till then, stay safe and keep practicing computers. Thank you.